medicine for the runny nose or for the coughing. So we're making a Hi guys, I'm making. We have ginger here for the medicine of my. I have ginger. I'm going to make a ginger juice.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
We're making a ginger juice for the medicine of the runny nose and coughing. So good ginger juice.
Yeah. It's mommy. Yeah, we need to
herbal
drink
medicine.
it. Yeah, we need
yummy.
to. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
yummy.
we need to taste it.
Yeah.
So
we're slicing the ginger and then we'll put
lemon
and then warm water.
Yeah, and we can eat chorizo.
Oh, pero ito the chorizo.
Yeah, and this one is chorizo.
It's a chorizo. It's not chorizo. It's a barbecue.
It's a barbecue.
All right.
Ginger. I'm going to mix
Next
the ginger. I'm going to mix the ginger. I'm going to mix the ginger.
This thermos.
Popcorn.
Next.
Popcorn.
There.
It's so burning. See guys?
So hot.
See?
Yeah,
there's like smoke coming out.
Yeah.
Like a Santa Claus.
We're going to add a sangig or we're adding scent. Ooh, there you go guys. We're putting the sangig. Let's see later. What's the taste. A little later, what's the taste of this? Ooh. Said that ginger is good for the medicine for the runny nose and for the coughing. Try it now.